Mazda. Still don't know what is this Mazda. Some Mazda. Mazda CX5. Which year? 2014. It's coming crazy dashboard, coming all lights. Sometime car is not starting, so something is wrong. And here is coming many faults with CAN system. As I guess, is somewhere water and is some rare body control unit. Try to get there and see is it something wet or something. Also, engine control unit is missing signal and instrument control unit missing signal. I don't know where is problem, but try to troubleshooting. How to find, still don't know, but try to see somewhere water in floor, in luggage or in engine room fuse box. So, and now it's happening. Airbag lamp is blinking, no fuel, SBC inspection, and it's coming medium speed CAN communication, bus, restraints, disable indication, ABS top lamp control, invalid received from body control module, received anti ABS, start stop in serial data gateway module A, front body, rear body is some rear body and is not connecting. Before was connecting. When it wake up, now is something wrong with that. Could be some water or something. Gonna try to find out. Yes, if I stop car and start from new. Fuel, yes, fuel wake ups. Everything wake up. Yes. And rear body. No, it's not wake up. But I'm not sure it was connecting or not. Front body control module. No, everything fine, all works great. Strange. In rear, here is this control unit, rear body. I have opened it and I see nothing special, just it is here connected some extra cables. I'm not sure why it is, but I think it's trailer. So maybe this trailer is disturbing some CAN signal or something, that's why it's coming errors. And now I'm gonna try to disconnect it and see what happens without trailer control unit. Front body control module located inside here. Looks nice, no rust, nothing. Cables looks nice, no rust, nothing. ABS is not damaged. Sometimes coming also ABS, no communication. So strange. And what I found, now I can connect rear body control module. I disconnect all these trailer connectors and it was still same problem, no connection. After I is no connecting to this rear body control module. After I moved connectors like this and like this, and after I try, and suddenly I can connect to this. So problem is with cables connections inside here. So try to take it out one more time and see what, maybe solder joints or something, I'm not sure now, but problem is here 100%. Take it apart again and gonna try resolder all connector pins. Now have soldered all connectors, put everything back and gonna go to check what is now. Okay, ignition is on. Go back and there is rear body control module is connecting. Checking fault codes because door is not closing and hood is not closing. It comes. Yes, everything. Boot is open, door is open. Rear fog lamp is, I don't know why it is, because is, yes, because is a hanger. Tow bar is connected and tow bar have special cable to socket. That's why maybe it's also coming fault code. Now I think must test it, and if it's okay, everything will be okay. And I come after hour, no faults, nothing. Before, after leave car for a while, it's coming and it's many CAN communication faults, and now can connect to rear body control module. It is possible. So maybe there was something wrong in connectors. And after soldering these connectors, joints, how to say, is no more error, no more fault codes. I have tested whole day. Sometime I coming and I start car, so now gonna try, but I think I do nothing else with that. So see you next time.